So in Arlington, we have a railhead, which is right down the street from the plant. Well, there's no access to it except for shuttling trucks to that location. And so we have a 5-car flatbed that runs back and forth. It does a 2-mile leg about 30 times a day, 2 shifts. So it's turning and burning nonstop. So it was a perfect candidate for the Trifecta. Your inner city, multiple turning, twisting on that axle.
They run 24/7. They run 3 shifts a day.
Especially with the load on the bearings, that's a big deal on the steer wheel.
And they're moving a lot of metal every single day. The big point is that I've had the STEMCO Trifecta Pre-Adjusted Hub this on for a year on 3 of my most highly abused units. This hub has given me 0 problems across the board on 3 units in a year. I've put them through the most extreme wear and tear for summer heat in Texas to a freezing cold winter and ice, and they're holding up phenomenally. Realistically, it's about 50% easier to install this hub assembly than any other one that I've ever even personally put on. Watching my technicians install this on was pretty amazing because it was, wow, it's on that fast? Okay, well, what else do we have to do? Nothing. All the human error is actually taking it out of it, so STEMCO's really come ahead on that.
The fact is, it's done exactly what they said it would do. No issue is a good issue, and that's what we've had with this product. There's been no issues. It's tested exactly how they said it was supposed to, and I'm very satisfied with it. If I didn't trust STEMCO, we wouldn't be using them today. It's been a great relationship.